Hello everybody, today is August 12th, 2022, and it is the opening night of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party here at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. This is the first time that Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party in full has returned since 2019. We've got special fireworks, a special parade, I'm dressed like a bat. It's gonna be an amazing fun night. We're here a little bit early because with your party ticket you can get in as early as 4 p.m. However, the full party doesn't start till 7. We're gonna meet up with friends and just have a spooktacular time, so let's get started. I'm ready. And this is my first time this year seeing the pumpkins out on Main Street, USA. Proudly grown in Indiana. I love it. I picked up my 2022 wristband and my map. It says, let's do this. That is so cute. And now it's time to formulate a game plan because there's a lot of offerings and there are some things that are new for 2022. Certain things have multiple show times and certain things like the fireworks only have one. Right now we've got a mixture of day guests and party guests and we've already got lines for photo ops. The jack-o'-lanterns are back here at the entrance. The mayor and citizens of Main Street, really miss them. We got baseball players and the chef, all the usual. This just gets you so excited. There's a huge line to take pictures with the pumpkins. As day guests are streaming out of the park, they've got a Main Street vehicle here with a big, beautiful sign that says, "This way to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party." All right, we are entering in through this way. You hold up your wristband and these inflatable markers will let you know where to go. Wherever you see these inflatables with some sort of candy on them, and they've got the candy brands up here, there's gonna be a trick-or-treating station. So I guess the first one is right here. Oh my goodness, Musketeer Pluto. That is so cute. So they have these special golden statues just for the Halloween party in the Halloween party walkway. Princess Minnie is glorious. Time to get trick-or-treating bag. Thank you, sir.
Enjoy, have fun.
Oh, love it. And it's 50th anniversary themed. Oh, hold on, let me move my map. Very cute. Let's boo this. Got our first trick-or-treat bag and about to get our first candy. Full-size bag, thank you. Ooh, these are nice. What are these? Are these like a, crunchy cookie? Listen to the music. Here we are going in. And Mickey says, enjoy the party. Right here at the entrance is a brand new Legend of Sleepy Hollow photo spot. Everybody's in their cool costumes, so we're gonna take this.
Good evening, trick-or-treaters and ghosts of honor. The spell has been cast, and at 7 o'clock, the Magic Kingdom will transform for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Unfortunately, tonight's event is sold out.
There are gonna be brand new photo ops for tonight, and I think one is out already before the party has started here in the Hubgrass, so we're gonna go check out what it is. I love everyone's costumes.
Well, that turned into a full-on photo shoot. We got one of the special magic shots and took some fun photos. And just for good measure, here's another one of the special magic shots I got later in the evening.
This is the point where wristbands are required now because it's like, what, 15 minutes till the party starts? Main Street USA is lined with Halloween decorations and these carved jack-o'-lanterns. They've got magic-themed ones up here above the House of Magic, very cute. We've got the Cinderella's carriage, Mickey pumpkin here too, beautiful. Before the party starts, there are already lines. Like, there's already a 2 to 4 hour line for Jack and Sally, a huge line for Mickey and Minnie in their Halloween costumes, a huge line at the Emporium for merchandise. And when it comes to these parties, you kind of have to decide what is your priority. Is it meeting rare characters? And if so, start getting in line before the party starts, an hour or two before it starts. If it's trick-or-treating, you can just start when the party starts right away, and it's very carefree. For me, the parade, the headless horseman, the fireworks, all the specialty entertainment that you can't see on a normal day at Magic Kingdom are gonna be my priority tonight. I think what we're gonna do first is head straight to Tomorrowland. There's some trick-or-treating and there's some characters out and there's some ducks. Oh, here we go. You're gonna hold up your wristband. At this point, we're going straight to Tomorrowland. 1 minute until the party starts. And that was the announcement that the party has officially begun at 7 p.m. All right, time to trick or treat. Hello.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Oh, I got a double. Woo! Brand new for this year in Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, there is a zombie cheerleader thing. Let's check it out. The ZOM-BEATZ BASH. This is so cool.
Now, if you're ready to show me some freaky footwork, I need everyone to stand up. And we want you to follow along.
Okay, we gotta do this.
All my ladies, all right, shake them up. All right, we're gonna roll it out. And roll it out. Okay, ready, clap. And clap. Clap. All right, a little bit back. Here we go. Roll it out. And clap. Keep on. Keep going.
Cold AC in here too. One of the things I'm very much looking forward to is a Cold Witch's Brew. They don't have it quite ready yet, but we'll try again later. Oh my goodness, there's already a line, but she looks absolutely amazing. Right now, none of the character lines are under 1 hour. And for a party that's only from 7 to midnight, that's a huge chunk of time. So we're gonna keep on moving, try one of the specialty treats that I've been looking forward to, and we'll try more later, and then start getting into the evening's entertainment because it's getting darker. But since we're over here, we're gonna head up another trick-or-treat station. Before the evening entertainment starts, all of the lines are very, very long, even for trick-or-treating and candy. Well, since we're back here, we can see railroad track, which is nice to see. And some construction there. Can't wait for the Walt Disney World Railroad to reopen. Hello, thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Thanks so much. Woohoo! Bye, thank you. My bag is almost full. The Cold Witch's Brew Coffee. French vanilla cold brew with pumpkin spice foam topped with Halloween sprinkles. They finally got the cold brew ready, so we're gonna grab some. They also have the Binks pastry tail. That's a cat tail drizzled with dark chocolate and topped with a Binks chocolate piece. Oh, that looks good. Very warm out, so it's already melting, so let's try it. At first it just tasted like coffee, but I'm gonna mix in the pumpkin foam. It was very strong cold brew coffee at first. Once I mixed in the pumpkin cream, it tasted a lot better. Give it a good mix. If you like pumpkin coffee, you'll probably like this. Oh, we've got a cast member doing some water art for us. Let's see what we're gonna get here. What do we got? I feel like it's gonna be 0. The glowy nose. That is so perfect. Awesome! Teacups is one of the rides that has a special Halloween overlay, so we are gonna pop in. They have special spooky music. There's some fog. It's kind of hard to see, but we'll get a better view of it in a minute. There's the fog, yes. Here we go.
People trying to fit in a teacup.
Look at the fog. Oh, that's so cool. We are gonna spin mildly. We're just gonna let it spin naturally. Like, we're not gonna mess
Like a
with it.
medium mild.
Yeah, medium to mild. You guys over here, aggressive spinning. Yeah, it looks amazing. This looks so cool. Oh my God, they're spinning so fast. We had fun. We spun and we had fun. Ooh, wow. As we get off the ride, there's cool, spooky music playing. Lights everywhere. Let me show you the vibe. Wow. Very cool vibe. There's projections on the floor everywhere. Look at Space Mountain. Wow. We'll definitely head over there because it's also got a Halloween overlay. Oh, cool. Wow. We're making our way to Main Street, but we had to stop for the dance party here. The monstrous Scream-O-Ween ball is happening the entire party all the way to midnight. We got the moves every year.
All right, well, you guys may have come from...
Always a good dance party here in Tomorrowland. They always know how to do it right.
So follow me, 1, 2, 3. So call me. Who is excited to be a not so scary Halloween party?
That looks so cool. The whole park's lit up all cool. There's dance parties. There's all sorts of stuff. Ooh. The first stage show of the evening is happening, but we're gonna try to catch a later show. Hopefully that's a good decision. You never know with these things, but look at how beautiful the park looks.
Dark as midnight and as mysterious as the unknown.
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Passier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Well,
People are already lined up all the way up and down Main Street USA and all the way into Frontierland for the first parade of the evening. There is a little bit of rain, so hopefully it happens. And the rain has begun. The first parade is on a little bit of a rain delay. We're seeing lightning out there. Ooh. Main Street's got some flashing lights happening. Castle looks so cool, all green. The parade should have started by now. It's definitely on a rain delay. We haven't gotten any word from cast members or anything, but we're just kind of hanging out and hoping.
We must cancel our 9:15 performance.
Oh.
Mickey's Annual Halloween Parade. Once again, due to inclement weather and for the safety of our performers, our 9:15 performance of Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade has been canceled. We hope to present our 11:15 parade as scheduled. Thank you for your understanding, and we invite you to enjoy the rest of your evening here at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party.
Well, we'll try for the second parade of the evening, but for now, we're gonna keep making the best of this night and go do some more stuff. Very superstitious. You know what's superstitious?
What?
That it will rain on the opening night of any Halloween event
any fun
here
thing
in
that we're
Florida.
at.
Yes. Because it's raining, everyone is heading towards rides, which we will do. But first, I think we're gonna have a little snack, a little specialty Halloween snack. There's a specialty treat at Pecos Bill that I did want to try, so let's give it a go. The specialty item here is the almond sweet corn cake. It's almond vanilla cake drizzled with icing and topped with candy corn. It looks like a piece of corn. This cake is so cool because it looks so much like a piece of corn on the cob. It's hard for me to believe there's a cake under here. Like, look at the texture of the corn kernels. All right, let's dig in. It's cake. This is actually really, really tasty. It just tastes like a piece of vanilla cake. The candy corn taste is very, very minimal, unless you eat the candy corns that are on it. This is really cool. It reminds me of that, like, is it cake show? It's just delicious. It is still raining out. There's only one fireworks show, and that's at 10:15. So we're hoping that that is gonna happen, and we're just gonna take a chance and head up to the hub and see what happens. We're in the hub. We're waiting for, hopefully, the one fireworks show of the night. It is sprinkling. It's very, very soggy, but everyone's in pretty good spirits. There's music everywhere, and there's still quite a bit more that we want to do, but I just really want to try to see. That was lightning, fireworks. Oh boy, I don't know if it's gonna happen. If it doesn't, we're just gonna party.
Trick-or-treaters, a hex of inclement weather has delayed our not-so-spooky spectacular. We thank you for your understanding and do hope to begin as soon as possible.
We still have hope that the fireworks will happen, but then the dilemma is, do we walk away and do other things and risk missing the special fireworks that are only on for this party? Or do we wait? I think we're gonna just wait a little bit and hope that it happens.
Good evening, trick-or-treaters. A hex of inclement weather has delayed our not-so-spooky spectacular. We thank you for your understanding and do hope to begin as soon as possible. Once again, our presentation of Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular has been delayed.
Okay, it just got silent. Let's see what happens. It's happening. Woo!
Greetings, trick-or-treaters. In mere minutes, our not-so-spooky spectacular will manifest before you in a blaze of ghoulish delight. In order for you to fully experience tonight's presentation, the lighting around Magic Kingdom will be reduced.
What do you think of that, Chippendale? They were talking. Chippendale were just talking.
During the show.
Yeah, shh, Chippendale, come on. They just said, I want some nuts. Oh, every once in a while they just have a little old chat. They said, I'm Chip and I'm Dale, pleased to meet you.
The story that you are about to be told is is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Oh my gosh!
Good evening, dear friends. It's wonderful to
Wow.
have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, playful treats. What? Anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, Zero! Here I! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go. Hey, look! A dog! It's a ghost dog!
His collar says 0.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house!
This house is spooky.
Ooh, that was cool.
Goofy, stop shaking. Why not? Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
trail filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Nice.
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular.
Well, I really enjoyed that show. I thought it was great. The sky was filled with fireworks. The explosions were amazing. The music was amazing. The Jack puppet was so cool. That Jack Skellington puppet. Like, I tried to get a zoom in on it. It was so cool, so fluid looking. And there was just so many explosions. And I'm so happy that it happened. We are getting rained on, but it was worth it. Definitely stay for the fireworks and be up by the hub. That's the benefit of being at a party like this, is that you can get a spot up by the front and you don't have to fight for a spot like you would on a normal night.
We must cancel this performance of Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular.
We don't know if the parade's going to happen. There's a little bit of fun going on in here.
Oh yeah, there we go.
It looks like the parade is about to start.
Happy Halloween.
Those are some moves. Those are definitely some moves. parade. Loved, loved, loved the parade. The parade was so good. Everybody loved it and it was great. Okay, there are now 7 minutes left of this party and we are gonna try to hustle to Space Mountain to ride it. Yeah. The Tomorrowland hustle. I think we've got time for one more thing tonight, and that is gonna be Space Mountain. That has a Halloween party overlay, but basically it's just dark. It's gonna be just pitch black, I think. Maybe there'll be some Halloween music or something. We'll see. It's so quiet in here. I don't. You're not? We'll see.
I'm afraid of music, though. Very music.
No. Whoa! Whoa! It's pitch black.
All right, this might have been a mistake.
I'm so scared. I do not like it. This is so bizarre. What was that? What was that? No! Somewhat fun, somewhat horrible. We did it though.
It's so dark.
It was so dark. We were just completely taken off guard there. Yeah. Just grab that. That's one. And we've exited into an empty Tomorrowland. That's kind of cool. And here's Main Street, USA, just a few minutes after midnight. People are hanging out, soaking up the last few minutes of the party.
I think they're soaking up the tunes.
They're soaking up the tunes and the rain. There's a lot of soaking up happening. And there's a big line up here at the front of the park for the pumpkin towers. These two guys, they're really cool looking. And the Main Street jack-o'-lanterns look even cooler at night. As we're exiting, there's fog out here, and also there's a special commemorative print that you get as you're leaving the party. It's pretty nice. It's 50th anniversary. It was a bit chaotic of a night, but it was a good night. It was a fun night, and I got to spend time with friends and have fun. Didn't get to do everything, of course, because you really rarely get to do everything at parties, after hours, and events like this. You kind of have to pick and choose, and the rain definitely sogged a few things out, but we still had a great time, and everybody I ran into loved the parade, the fireworks. It was so fun just hanging out and having a good time, and I don't know, we'll be back though to cover more of this party. So I hope that you enjoyed being here with me and just hanging out and having a good time as if you were just here on this rainy first night of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Good to have the full party back. Amazing. So thank you guys so much for being here with me. I'm sending you a ton of love. I'll see you for the next video. Until then, stay enthused. Bye.